Today we are going to continue with Geography, Chapter 4, Globes and Maps. In the previous class, we discussed about the different components of map and conventional symbols. So in today's class, we are going to discuss about what is sketch and what is plan. So there are different ways we can show a particular place. In the similar way, we have a sketch. For example, if we want to help a new child or a student in a class to locate and reach the neighborhood bookshop, we would draw a rough diagram of a road to show where to turn and which landmark to look out for in order to reach the bookshop. With this rough diagram, the new student can reach the bookshop easily, even though the exact distance and directions are not mentioned in the sketch. In our school also, when we enter, there is a rough sketch it is being made about the building, that where we have to turn right, then we have to turn left, where is the classes of 1 to 5, or where it is the library, where is the science laboratory. So everything is shown in a big plot of you can say a cardboard which has been there. A sketch is made of the school, where it is the playground, where we have the assembly, everything it is mentioned. So it helps the people to locate the place, that where to go, whether they have to go to the left or right to find its own destination. So you can say, and this sketch is without measuring the distance between any two places. Okay, so what is sketch here? A diagram which is drawn without measuring the distance between the various places is called sketch. That means you have making a sketch of a particular place. You can make a sketch of your own house or your neighborhood house, how the roads are being there, what are the things are being there, plants are there, which shop it is there. You can also prepare a sketch to find out the place to help out the other people. So sketch is also a method in which we can locate a place or find it out the place. And a sketch is just a rough map with outlines drawn without any scale and also without a use of signs and symbols. Okay, we don't have to use any signs or symbols in the sketch when we are sketching a particular place of your neighborhood or of your school or of the other buildings, hospital. You don't have to have a measurement of the scale or any symbols to show that. Just you prepare a sketch that these are the rooms it is being given, there is a library, anything that can be shown with the without a scale. You can see here there is a rough sketch which has been given, and it is often shown to show the direction for the people, and it gives a direction to a particular place by making a rough drawing to show the route. So you can understand a sketch is being made to show the direction or the route of a particular place, and this landmark and the names are of the streets, this are being given in the sketch, that this is the runway or this is the road or this is the house or this is a building, this is a temple. That is also mentioned in the sketch so that people can understand and they can find it out their location. And rough map, that means rough sketch, is drawn without any scale and conventional signs and symbols, direction and distance. So we have discussed that what are the things which is not being needed in the sketch or forming a rough map. Moving to the plan, that means in a plan we show accurate details of a smaller area. That means detailed drawing of a smaller area is seen in the plan, and plan shows a small area on a large scale. That means if you are constructing a house, then you need to have a plan. That means how much centimeter or no, centimeter not meter they want a bedroom or a hall anything that has to be accurate measurement. So you can say a plan shows a smaller area, for example of your house, in a very large area. That means in a piece of land it is showing that small area in a small paper, how they will be constructing the interior of the house. Example, we can say interior of the house or a office building or even your classroom, that we have to have a plan that how much meter it has to be constructed. So everything should be planned. So and in this map shows a large area on a small scale. That means a plan is to be made in which a large area is shown on a small scale, that is in a small piece of paper or a big chart paper that shows the layout. You can see here, this is the plan out of a library, sorry, showing that where it is the rooms, then we have learning centers, video rooms. So all these are being made a plan, that is a type of sketch and layout, and how much centimeter it is also written. These are the blocks which are this much centimeter it is being given. So you can see that what is a plan it is being given. So that means whenever they are making a sheet or a plan that is having an accurate distance or having a layout of the house, that is called as the layout plan. So you can say which plans which shows more details, that means for a larger area in a small piece of land, that is called as the plan. And there are variations in the plan. You can say even in the when you are building a classroom, whether you are building a house, you need to have a plan. That is you should know what is the plan representative, that means how much meter will be the ground level, how much it will be at the teachers table will be there, at what distance will be the corridor, or at what distance will be at the playground. Everything is being planned or having a good sketch of the map of that particular part, or you can say the particular work it is being given, whether it is of planning of a classroom, whether it is a planning of a building, whether it is a planning of a hospitals or any educational institute. Everything should have a proper planning. That means when this plan is being used only when there is a construction work being done, or you can say for other purposes of geological purposes or anything, that is has to have a plan. So in this we can say that map shows either a larger area without details or small area in details. So you can say map is available in a small scale, also in a large scale details of any of the continent or any part of the world. And a plan shows a very small area in great detail. That means a plan is being planned, that means it shows a small area in great details. In the same way, a sketch is a rough diagram drawn without a scale, and it's just to know the location without any measurement. It just find it out where it is located, which place is located where, to find out the direction. It a rough sketch is being made. So we have completed this chapter, and we will do the question answers in the next class. Thank you.